I'm just going to make a quick video. I'm just going to fry egg. Like, this is the breakfast we're going to eat this morning. So this is our breakfast. So I'm just going to show you guys how I fried my egg. This egg sauce. So what I need to make this egg sauce: I need tomatoes, I need green pepper, yellow pepper, onions, seasoning powder, and I have seasoning salts, nutmeg, and sardine. So I'm just going to add the sardine to it, and egg. Yeah, this is the breakfast we're going to have, and we're going to have it with yam. You can have this sauce with bread, with rice, with plantain, whatever things you want to use it, you can use it with rice. So today we are going to use this for yam. So guys, let's jump into it. Just that's my son. I'm just going to because of the tomatoes juice, so I have to put it in filters. All those tomatoes juice to be out of it. Already sliced the pepper, the green pepper and the yellow pepper. Let's add the oil, groundnut oil in the pan. Add seasoning powder to the egg, little salt, that's the yam boiling, fry the onions. going to fry this here, all of them together like about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can add your egg to it. Where is my salt and this chili powder and my salt. Just going to add the sardine. When this is my nutmeg. I'm going to add a little nutmeg. So good. I'm still going to cover it like 2 minutes if I can add the final thing, the egg. It's the egg that you name it. We'll boil the egg. Smells so good. Hey folks, the food is ready. This yam and egg sauce. Hello folks, thank you guys for sticking around till I hope you learned something. I am not just doing a video for myself, I'm teaching you guys and I want you guys to go and try it out. Just you can use this sauce to eat any kind of food you want. Like you can use it for your rice. Imagine you are putting white rice there, it will go. Jollof rice to go. Even bread, you can use it to make bread, just quick breakfast. And this is yam